WWL Louisiana News at 5 begins with breaking news.
Weather impact alert leading to some major changes for Fat Tuesday 2025. Thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Sharice Gibson. So all of the parades for the final day of Carnival are impacted. Right now, the only cancellations are in Jefferson Parish. We broke that news online last night. Fat Tuesday in New Orleans will be much different as well. The parades will roll early and both routes are being cut short. Alyssa Curtis was there as officials laid out the changes for Zulu and Rex. She's joining us live now with more. Can you break this all down for us, Alyssa?
Yeah, Sharice, the good news is that the party will still go on, but of course, like you mentioned, there will be some changes, and we could get another update from Chief Kirkpatrick. So we're kind of on standby right now, but as of right now, those parades will go on, but of course, with some changes. The winds are creating some concern, so Chief Kirkpatrick says she wants to make sure that everyone is safe and still kind of keep people happy, but again, she's not afraid of making people upset if she needs to end up canceling tomorrow's parade. She said there is right now a specific window that they believe they can get all the parades through safely so we can still enjoy Mardi Gras. So as of right now, Zulu will begin at 6:30 a.m. sharp. So get out there early, get on the parade route early, because 6:30 a.m. they are rolling. They unfortunately will not have any walking crews or marching bands because, again, they need to make sure they are through their route at a specific time to get everyone off the route and safe at home before Kirkpatrick says those winds pick up to a dangerous speed. Their route will be shorter. Instead of rolling through Chimay and ending at their headquarters, they'll turn left at Poydras and end at the Superdome. Rex will roll right after Zulu at around 9:30, also with a shortened route. They'll turn on Jackson, then proceed to the Den. The truck parades will not roll on tomorrow on Mardi Gras. They'll roll Sunday. Even with these changes, Kirkpatrick says she needs to keep everyone safe and, again, will not hesitate to cancel tomorrow if it looks like it'll be too dangerous.
If the national weather forecast turns from a watch for severe wind to a warning, I will cancel the parades at that point, no matter what time that is, okay? So right now it is a forecast watch, but it's within the parameters that we think we can safely run. I hold that trump card in which I will not hesitate to cancel. I won't do it slightly or lightly, I should say, but I will do it.
And she was not playing around today, guys. I will tell you that. As of right now, parades have a hard stop at 11:30, again, because of that specific window she says that we have in order to get everything through. Also tomorrow, keep in mind, they will not allow any tents, umbrellas, anything that can fly away, because they want to make sure they don't hurt anyone, fly away, hit a rider, any kids on the route. So NOPD says they will be cracking down on all of that enforcement. So please be safe tomorrow. Again, we could get another update from Chief Kirkpatrick at any moment, but right now we will roll tomorrow just with those different times and different routes. For now, reporting live at Napoleon and Magazine, Alyssa Curtis, WWL Louisiana.
Alyssa, thank you.